cracks going on YouTube and the rest of the world and all my fellow Zoomerists and Rucksters. Just doing my first ever YouTube video, so it may well seem a little bit amateur. It's freezing cold. I'm having a problem with my scooter, and I just want to do a video to show you what it sounds like, really. Hopefully get some knowledgeable opinions on what to do with it. Here goes. I'm going to start it up. I've got to start it up without my variator on because it's lost so much power now it won't actually turn over and keep running with the variator on it. So I'm going to get it running and then just sort of zoom in and take the camera and show you what's going on. Anyway, here goes. Hopefully it starts, that is. That was the sound of me having left my rollers on there. I thought it would be okay. Here goes. Try again. Took over. Right, just going to remove this and give you a bit of a closer view if you can still hear me. Excellent. Start up again. The noise isn't really coming from the front, it seems to be coming from the inside of the engine. Look, if I hold this and idle, I can actually stop the engine because it's got so, it won't even take me up the smallest hill really. So you can tell it's making a real noise. I'll just give you a bit of a zoom around of my zoomer just to show you what a beautiful beast it is. It's me nuclear fuel, some there's the back end with my little flag. I think I've probably the only scooter around with a flag like that on the back. Fuel there and Sea Shepherd and all sorts of bits and pieces all over it. A bit of camo underneath there and some pants on the side. As you can tell, it's a bit of a unique beast, but a unique beast that is not really working properly at the moment. Honda Zoomer, the power of dreams. So I'm just going to place this back up here and start it again. I hope you can help because I want my baby back. Thank you very much. Take care. Goodbye for now.